I was telling about my childhood life, and I will continue the rest of the topic. So I did this kind of all mischief with my mother, with my parents, and when I used to go to the school, then I stayed very silent. Means I did not do so much mischief in my school. Um, because I did not get any opportunity for doing any mischief. So I always stayed like a obedient girl in the school. And um, and and I then I did not I also did not want to go to the school, because then I did not get so much friend in my school. I'm telling then I did it in class 5 or 6. Means then I went to the school first for the first time, or then I did not have any idea about teachers, about friends, about the whole school life. So then I liked to stay at home, and I liked to um, gossip with my mother, and I liked to did lot of mischief, or then I feel secure with my mother. Otherwise then I did not want to talk with anyone else in the school. So when I got a friend, so when I was getting new friends, when I was getting understand what is the school life, means when I then I did lot of mischief in my school. Day by day, when I was getting lot of new friends, mm, then I started to do mischief in my school. Then I did not do any mischief in my home. Then I also I was getting younger child. Sorry, then I was getting elder child. So sorry, I was telling wrong. I was becoming younger. Sorry, I was getting elder. So then I did lot of mischief in my school with my friends. And I had a cycle of friends. I had a group of friends, and my all friends was so naughty. Means they had lot of naughty ideas in their mind. And all day, means every day we did a lot of mischief in our school. That's why our teachers fed up. So our teacher felt restless for our mischief. Then I when I stayed at home, then I spent a long time in my school. Then I went to the used to go to the school at 10:30 a.m. and I returned home at 5 p.m. So this long time I stayed with my friends. So um, I then I stayed at home for short time. Means so then when I stayed at home, then I did not do lot of mischief like my childhood. Means then I gossiped with my mother, but then I did not know. I'm not, I will not tell that I did not. Means I stopped to do all mischief. Sometime I did mischief, but it was really very rare. Sometime but I did lot of mischief in school with my friends, all friends. And then I disturbed my all teachers. Then we also made lot of joke with our teachers. And sometime we also gave some nickname of my teachers. We could not tolerate this. Means those teacher was so irritable. Means those teacher was so angry. Those teacher always scolded me. Those teacher was not did not behave with us properly. We gave the name of these teachers nickname, bad name. And back of my all teachers, we told them through this name. Sorry, we called our teachers through this name. we give lot of nickname of my all teachers, um, and we also give lot of nickname of my friends. And I also had a nickname, but I will not tell my nickname. And uh, and uh, i al- and my all friends had different nickname, and if you told her nickname, then everybody can recognize her properly. Everybody knew her nickname, and we always disturbed him through this nickname. And there also had a funny matter. If you It always happened with me. If we called her through if we called her through her name, then she did not give any reply. But if we called her with through her nickname, then she gave reply. Means why it happened, I don't know. It also happened with me, but why it happened with us, I don't know. So that's why anybody did not want to change our nickname. They always whole time they called us, so we called with their nickname. No, sorry. Yes. And it was another fun. And then we did not use any mobile phone. And then we could meet with my friends every day in the school. So then we did not need any mobile phone for talking with my friends, or for asking any questions, or for wanting any thing from my friends. So then I did we did not have any addiction about phone. And then we did not discuss about anything in about phone. Then we just gossiped about different things, about our likes, about our dislikes, what mischief we did, or what we ate next previous night, etc. And then we also played. But I had some friend, they used phone, and sometimes they talked about phone. But we when it was rare, means we did not talk about phone. Means we had a really very well child life. Means we had really very good life. We could spend very well school life. We could spend very well child life also. But my some friend, I told that some friend used phone, but it was not their own phone. They used their mother's mobile phone, or father's mobile phone, but they did not have any own mobile phone. um, and then my teachers, my some I had some teachers, they also teached us through game.